What's up, adventurers? Let's do a room tour at Green Valley Ranch. This is a beautiful suite that we stayed in for a staycation. Here's a mini bar that Esther's enjoying and a guest bathroom for, when you're hosting your guests in your massive room. Now let's go over to the living room just to check out all the seating that they have while Esther's enjoying some of the goodies that they left us, and a quick glance at the dining room. Oh, let's check out the other side of that mini bar. Beautiful, right? Now, this is my favorite part. There is a Juliet balcony with an amazing view. It overlooks the pool right over here, as you can see. To the right, you can actually see the strip as well. I forgot to film that, but let's go back inside and check out the rest of the room. Here's the other side of the living room, as you can see, with the TV, an office if you need to get some work done. And let's go into the bedroom. There's Esther again, enjoying the massive bed, plenty of seating. I love the huge windows. It gives you plenty of light, although it's a gray day today, which is a little bit weird in Vegas. There's the pool again. Okay, and now let's head over to the bathroom. This bathroom is big. You have 2 sinks. You got a separate room for a toilet. You have 2 separate closets. You have a shower and a bathtub. This place is awesome.